Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about annual exam 2023 class 8 mathematics. So in this question paper basically we are having, as you know, in question paper we are already having part A and part B. Only two part will be here. In part A it consists of two sections, section 1 and section 2. In section 1 you can see 10 questions, 10 objective type question or very short answer type questions of 1 mark each, and internal choice is provided in 3 questions. So totally 10 questions we have to solve 1 mark question. And in section 2 we are having question number 11 and 12 are case study questions, and in each case study we are having 5 questions. So from 5 questions we have to attempt any 4 out of 5. So this is part A. In part B we are having section 3, section 4 and section 5. So section 3 is 2 marks question, section 4 is 3 marks question and section 5 is 5 marks question. So without doing any delay, now we are moving to our part A 1 marks question. So as we see, each question is of 1 mark, and this is not objective type question, this is descriptive type question. So in this part we have to get marks in each and every step. So students, you have to solve the questions, don't write directly answer, you have to solve it, then after you will get the marks. So without solving you are not getting marks. So solve it and you will get marks. Now see, our first question is simplify, and this is 0.9 into 1.6. This is under square root 0.9 and 1.6. So many students basically make mistake in this question because they have written 0.9 is equal to 0.3. This is very wrong. First of all, see, these types of question either you have to solve with decimal system or without decimal system. It depends on you. So if you want to solve it without decimal, you have to remove the decimal. So what you will do, you have to take both are square root, you can write 0.9 into 1.6 in single, and then after what you will write 9 into 16, remove the decimal. So in below side it will come 10 into 10. So 9 into 16 it is 3 into 3 is 9 and 4 into 4 is 16, and it is 10 into 10. So as you will know that this is the pair of 3 and 3, and this is the pair of 4 and this is the pair of 10 and 10. So what it will come, 3 into 4 upon 10. So 12 by 10 it will come 1.2. So this type you have to solve the question, then after you will get the marks. Either you have to write this type or you have to solve separately, also you will get the solution. So how to solve separately I am also showing you. Question is given, we are having question 0.9 into 1.6. So if you want to solve separately, you will get, see, you have to write 0.9 as 0.03 into 0.03. So most of the students have made mistake in this question. Into 1.6 can be written as 0.4 into 0.4. So finally what you will go at 0.03 into 0.4. Whenever you will multiply, you will get 0 point something, and when you will remove the decimal, finally you will get, what you will get, finally you will get 1.2 when you will multiply. So either you have to solve by removing the decimal or you have to solve without removing the decimal. You will get the solution 1.2. So many students has made mistake in this question. Now moving to question number 2. Question number 2 is cube root. We have to find out cube root. So what you will do in this question, if you want to find out cube root, simply you have to see 128 and 250, both are not the perfect cube of any number. So what you will do, first of all you have to see, if you will write the prime factors, you will get the solution. See 128, we can write prime factors, otherwise what we will do, we will write 128 upon 250, and 128 and 250 will be cancelled with 2. So 128 will be cancelled with 64 and 250 will be cancelled with 125. Now see 64 and 125. Simply you know that 64 is the cube root of 4. So you can write 4 into 4 into 4, and here you will write 5 into 5 into 5. You will get the solution, because it is cube root, so triplets will be required. So 4 upon 5. So either you have to cancel it, then after you will write, otherwise you have to write the prime factors, then also you will get the solutions. So by using prime factors you will get the solution, or by using cancellation you will also get the solution. So by using prime factors I am also showing you how to solve it by using the prime factors. This is given cube root of 128 divided by cube root of 250. So what we will do, we will write the prime factors. So what it will come, cube root of 128, this is 2, 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32, 2 ja 64, 2 ja 128, and below side it is 250. We can write 2 into 5, 10 into 5, 50 into 5, 250. So now see, one triplet, another triplets, and 2 is left. Here 5 is triplets, so 2 and 2 will be cancelled. When triplets made, you have to remove it. So we are having 2 into 2 upon 5. It will be 4 upon 5. So any one method we can use, either by prime factorization, or you have to write the cancel it and write the triplets. Now moving to question number 3. So question number 3 is given evaluate. So this is question of exponential radical. You all know that. Simply here I am writing, you all know that very x to the power m can be written as x to the 1 upon x to the power minus m. So minus will be plus and plus will be minus when you will write the reciprocal. So what we can write? We can write 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. We will take 2 to the power 4 in numerator and take the negative in denominator, it will be positive, it will be 8. So what we will get? 5 to the power 3, you already know what is the value of 5 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 4. What is the value of 2 to the power 4? You also know that. So what we will write? 5 to the power 3 is 125. 2 to the power 4 is 16 upon 8. So 16 will be cancelled with 8 in 2 times. So 125 into 2. We will get the solution 250. This is solution. So this is question number 3. Now moving to question number 4. We are having question number 4. 6 to the power x is equal to 1. Then find the value of x minus 2. So first of all you have to find the value of x, because x is required. We already know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So what we will write? 6 to the power x is equal to 1. So in place of 1, what we can write? We can write 6 to the power x. So here you can also write 6 to the power 0 is equal to 1, because you already know x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we can take any value. So you can write 6 to the power 0. By equating the power, what we will get? By equating the power, or by equating the exponent, what we will get? We will get x is equal to 0. See, this is power, this is also power. Bases are same. So x is equal to 0. Now what is question? We have to find out x minus 2. So in place of x we have to put 0. So 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is the solution of question number 4. Now moving to question OR part. So in OR part it is also related to exponents and radicals. What we will do? We have to make negative as positive. So take reciprocal, you will get the solutions. So now moving to question number 4 OR. Here I am solving the question. Question is given. Just I am solving here. See the question first. So what is question? First of all, see. Question is given 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2, then plus 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power 0. So as you know that 1 upon 2 whole to the power minus 2 will be written as positive if you will take the reciprocal. So 2 by 1 whole to the power plus 2 it will be written because you will take the reciprocal. So what you will write? 2 to the power 2 because 2 by 1 is same thing, or 2 by 1 you can write, plus 3 to the power 3 by 1 whole to the power also 2 plus 1 by 4 whole to the power 0. You can leave it because it is, we already know x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So what will be 2 to the power 2, it is 4, 3 to the power 2 9 plus 1 upon 4 whole to the power 0 is 1. So 4 plus 9 13 plus 1 14. See here, simply you have to do the reciprocals, negative power will be positive. So now moving to question number 5. As you see here, we are having question number 5. Find whether the given expression is a polynomial or not. So as you see, when you will write this question, root 3 z square minus 2 upon z plus 6. So as you know that whenever you have to take this z, this is in denominator, it will be negative when you will take in numerator. So this is not a polynomial. You will write no, this is not a polynomial because it contains negative power of variable, because when you will take this z on numerator it will be z to the power minus 1. So this is not a polynomial. Now moving to OR part. In OR we are having a question, write the degree of polynomial. So as you know that degree means highest power, that is maximum power. So as you already see here 10 is the highest power. So what will be degree? Degree of this polynomial is 10. So 10 will be the answer. Now moving to question number 6. This is very simple and this question is also asked in model test. Just place has changed. So what you will do in this question, as you saw, L parallel to M, it is already given. So this line will be transversal. So you have to take this angle as vertically opposite angle. So it will come 5x plus 35 degree, and then after you will write, as you know that sum of interior angle of same side of transversal is 180 degree. So first of all you have to write vertically opposite, then after you have to apply the sum of interior angle of same side. So here you will write, since sum of interior angles of same side of transversal is equal to 180 degree. So what you will write? 5x plus 35 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 180. When you will solve it, 5x plus 35 plus 40, it will be 5x plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So it will come 5x is equal to 100 degree. So x is equal to 100 upon 5, cancel with 20. So what is value of x? X is equal to 20 degree. So 20 degree will be our solution. So value of x is 20 degree. Now we can also apply linear pair and so many things we are having, or either you have to use the vertically opposite or you have to use the linear pair, also you will get the solution. So many concepts. By linear pair I will also explain you by linear pair how we will solve. So see the question, how to solve this question. L parallel to M. So this one is already given, L is parallel to M and angles are also given. So this is L, this is M. This one is transversal and this angle is given 5x plus 35 degree and this angle is given 45 degree. So there is no relation. So what we will do, we have to use here linear pair and we will find by linear pair this angle we will get, and angle 1 is equal to 45 we will apply. So then also we will get the solution. So this is the method how to solve this question. Either you have to use linear pair or you have to solve by using vertically opposite angles. So by linear pair here we will get? We will get the value of x, and then after you have to put here, because angle 1 is equal to angle 45, because this is vertically alternate interior angles. So we will get the solution. So either you have to use this method or you have to use the given method, that method only. Now moving to next question, we are having question number 7. Find the sum of interior angles of a regular octagon. So as you all know that if we are using octagon, so how many sides are there? So we are having in octagon sides. Octagon has sides, 8 sides. That means n is equal to 8. And for sum of all the interior angles of a regular polygon, we are having formula sum of interior angles. We are having formula n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So what you will put? 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. So it will come 6 into 180 degree will come. When you will solve it, it will come 18 into 6. We have to put the 0. So 18 into 6 will be what? It will come 108. So 1080 degree will be the solution, because it is a regular octagon. Now moving to question number 8. This is given, find the distance between the points A01 and B01. So as you see, value of x is already 0. So what is left now? Only value of y is left. What we will do? We have to subtract 8 minus 1, it will be 7 units. So simply you will get the solution. Just you have to subtract it, you will get the solution. Because value of x is 0, so only value of y is left. So you have to subtract larger value to smaller value, you will get the solution. Now moving to question number 9, we are having a question. Write the coordinates of a point on positive y-axis at a distance of 4 units from the origin. So see, this is y-axis. Question is asked from on positive y-axis at a distance of 4 units from the origin. So this is given y-axis. The value of y will be 4, but value of x on y-axis will be 0. So our coordinate will be 0, 4. Because on y-axis you already know, on y-axis value of x is 0, on x-axis value of y is 0. So definitely you will get the solution. Otherwise you have to draw the axis and also check it, you will get the solution. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So on y-axis value of x is 0. So let this one is 4, denotes 4, so 0, 4 will be the solution. Now moving to OR part. In OR, write the coordinates of a point at which the x-axis and y-axis intersect. So as you all know that at origin x-axis and y-axis together they intersect each other. So what is the coordinates of origin? You already know, 0, 0. So our solution will be 0, 0. Most of the students made mistake. They have written just origin. Question is asked, you have to write the coordinates, not asked where they intersect. So you have to write origin, then you have to write 0, 0. Otherwise directly you have to write only 0, 0. This is the correct solution. Now moving to question number 10. In question number 10, what is given? Heights of 20 sapling in a nursery is noted in centimeter. And question is given, find the range of their heights. So as you know that range is equal to maximum, that means highest value, minus lowest value. So what you will write? Range is equal to, so here see, highest or largest minus lowest yani least. Highest value minus lowest value, or you have to write highest value minus lowest value, and you will get the solution. So highest value is, you can see here, we are having so many values, so when you will see 128 is highest, we can put 128, and lowest when you will find out, you will get 72 is the lowest. So 128 minus 72, we will get the solution as 56 is our solution. So this is section 1 marks questions. I hope this video is helpful for you all, and this will help when you will solve the questions, because these questions are not objective questions, these questions are descriptive questions. So you have to solve the question in steps. Don't write the direct solution, otherwise you will not get full marks. So I hope this video is helpful, and if this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And for these types of educational video, please visit the description, you will get the link of different types of video.